Now what do you do? Huh? You gonna take a ride on that thing? Yeah. That was good thinking. Thank you, Grandma. You're not gonna let me touch it, are you? You know I'll whack it away. Where'd you go? That'll tire you out, won't it? You got it in your mouth, huh? I think she got a hole in it now because it's going down fast. We'll have to go to the store and get dollar store and get you a new one tomorrow. You already put a hole in it. Says I gotta kill it now. What'd you do to the ball, Sonny? You bit a hole in it.